Hello, I would like to introduce a new application named GigCart to you. GigCart is an app designed to help you avoid long queues when you have to visit a grocery store, a clinic, a salon, or a place of worship. This application is easily available for Android phones via Play Store. Just search and download it on your phone. You will find GigCart to be especially useful during this time of COVID-19 due to the restrictions of social distancing. I'll now demonstrate how to use GigCart after downloading. The first step is to register yourself on this app. There are two methods to register. The first method is to press the register button. A registration form will open asking for your personal details. In the first two fields, fill in your name and mobile number. Here, the third field is user type, which has a drop-down. On expanding it, we see two options. If you are a seller or vendor, select vendor/host. If you are a customer, then select customer/guest. After that, fill in the rest of the fields and press the register button. Remember your password. It will be used for logging in. Now you can log in using your mobile number and password. The second method is to press the login with OTP button. Here you will be asked for your mobile number. Enter it and press the submit button. You will receive an OTP on your phone. With that, you will be able to get registered and you can log in. In the future, in case you don't remember your password or wish to reset it, press the Forget Your Password option. You can also use the Continue as Guest option. With this, without any login, you can search for a desired place. Let's do a simple search. Let's type cake and press the search button. A list of all shops selling cakes is displayed. Suppose you want to search for a restaurant. Say a restaurant in Ernakulam. Press Advanced Filter button. Now assume that you don't know the name of the restaurant. So leave shop name field as blank. Now expand the category drop down and select restaurants. Then select city as Ernakulam and press the search button. The list will display all the restaurants in Ernakulam. Suppose you wish to book a table at a particular restaurant. So first select that restaurant. A pop-up information box will appear and remind you that you are a guest user. So let's log in. Expand the home button at the top left corner. Then select the login option. On the login page, enter your mobile number and password and press the login button. You are now logged in. Select the restaurant of your choice using the advanced filter option. To book a table, select the option, for example, tomorrow. You will be asked to fill the count of guests. The default count is 1 and the preferred time slot. If you want to convey any special message to the restaurant, then do so by typing it in the Your Message text box. In case you searched for a shop, then you can fill in the list of items that you wish to purchase in this text box. Lastly, press Book Your Slot button. On doing so, you will get a confirmation SMS and you can also see your booking in your dashboard. In case you want to cancel your booking, then press the Cancel button. A confirmation box will pop up. Here press the OK button. After this, you will receive an alert about your cancellation on the screen. Your dashboard also reflects this cancellation. Along with this, you will also receive an SMS confirming this cancellation. This action opens the booked slot for others. In your dashboard, you can see all your bookings in one go. If you wish to visit a place again, press on the Book Again button for that place. Follow the booking steps as explained before and confirm your booking. GigCart is a very easy to use application. It will help you avoid long queues and maintain social distancing, especially during this COVID-19 times. This application can be used for home delivery too. Please download the GigCart app, use it and share this information with others too, in order to avoid crowding and to increase your health safety. This application has been created as a social commitment and is completely free of cost. So go ahead and download and use GigCart.